This is my son's back office. Hindi pa siya nag-take din eh. So, pupunta kayo sa my websites, right? Yan, dito. Okay, pag pinindot mo yung my website, yan, di ba? So, andyan yung Live Good site mo, andyan yung Power Landing page mo, scroll down ka lang hanggang sa makita mo itong My Free Health Report site. Ito yon. So, ito ang link ninyo. Okay, so andyan yung website and then your username. Okay, so pinapakita niyan. Once na-clinic nyo yan, anong lalabas? Okay, unlock. Ayan, nandyan yung website natin. Welcome to Hans Francis Paraga. So ito yung may-ari ng website. My Free Health Report. So susubukan nyo, kayo lang muna. Okay? Ngayon, take the free questionnaire. Assignment to unlock your personalized health assessment. It's free and could change your life. Ano sabi nito? Discover exactly what your body needs with the quick and easy health assessment. Take the first step towards a healthier, happier you today. So, ito na yung awareness. No? Ito na yung awareness. It's making you aware of your brand or probably your service. What is your service? This site is your service. Meron kang free health assessment. So, ito na yung first stage ng funnel, which is being aware, the awareness, yung sa pinaka-top most. Kung ma-recall nyo kanina, no? Now, i-click mo yon, take the free questionnaire. Ito na. First question, what is your immediate health goal? Ano ba ang goal mo? Gusto mong mag-lose ng body fat? Gusto mong mag-build ng muscle? Or gusto mo lang na maging healthy? Okay, so, yung anak ko kasi gustong mag-build ng muscle. Okay, so i-click natin to, build lean muscle. And then after, are you a male or female? I-click mo itong male. Pag lalaki, dalawa lang ang choice dyan. Male or female. Okay. Ano ang age range mo? So, saang category ka nagpo-fall? Halimbawa, nasa 24 ka, diyan ka sa 20s. So, yung anak ko nasa 20s. So, dito ako. Kasi, pwedeng from 21 yan up to 29. So, ito, 30 hanggang 39. Okay, 40, ayan, 40 hanggang 49. Ganyan po yan. So, since na 23 siya, dito ako. Okay, and then, what is your height? So, ano ang height niya? 5'9". Okay, so 5 feet and then 9 inches. Okay. Yan. And then, next. So, nako, magkano? Hindi ko alam ang weight niya. So, mag-assume na lang tayo na nasa, kung ilang pounds, kung ilang kilograms. So, pipiliin mo yan. So, kung, assuming nasa lagay lang natin, 130. Okay, and then next. And then, how active are you? Okay, kung nag-gym ka, every single day, pwede mong ilagay na very active. Kung hindi ka nag-walking, hindi ka nag-gym, hindi ka nag-exercise, not very active. Kung may mga days, halimbawa 3 times a week, ilagay mo moderately active. And then, after how many hours per week do you exercise? Okay, pamili na tayo. Less than an hour, 3 to 5 hours per week. Per week po ito ha. 1 to 3 hours per week, 5 to 7 hours per week, or more than 7 hours. Okay, sabihin na natin na siya kasi daily. Okay, 5 to 7. When you exercise, how hard do you do? So, gaano ka-intensive yung pag-exercise mo? Nagbubuhat ka ba ng barbell? Yan, or walking lang? Is it very light? I push my limits or moderately hard? Okay. So, ito very intensive to. Ayan, so, moderately hard siya. When not exercising, do you often have shortness of breath? So, ibig sabihin, pag hindi ka nag-exercise, ikaw ba ay kinakapos ng paghinga? Yes or no? Papa. Ito yung pag ka ha, at rest ka when not exercising. So, kahit hindi ka nag-exercise, kinakapos ka ba? Do you have high blood pressure? So, chinecheck na ngayon. So, we are coming to the stage of the interest. Bakit interest? Kasi you are trying to figure out sa sarili mo kung ina-assess mo din na, oo nga nahihirapan ba akong huminga? O kaya mataas ba ang blood pressure ko? Baka i-check mo pa yung blood pressure mo bago mo sagutin to, no? Ayan, so kung sure ka naman na hindi or hindi mo alam kung blood pressure or low blood ka, then you write, I don't know. Okay? And then have you been diagnosed as a diabetic or pre-diabetic? Yes or no? Yan. No. Do you have a family history of heart disease? So meron ba sa family history nyo ang nagkaroon na cardiac arrest, may problema sa heart, may arrhythmia, anything related to heart disease? So just answer yes or no. And then, do you poop every day? So are you defecating? Nagbabawas ka ba every single day or constipated ka every other day, every 3 days, every 5 days? Ayan. We know this is a weird question, but metabolism plays an important role in regards to health. So napaka-importante ito, no? Yan, no? Ay, yes pala. Tay, kumusta naman ang appetite mo? Lagi ka bang ganadong kumain o hindi? Or depende sa ulam. Ayan, so naman, do you suffer from a low appetite? No. Ayan, kung okay naman yung pagkain mo, ayan. Do you wake up often to urinate? Ayan, makikita mo ngayon yung routine mo. Ilang beses kang umihi sa gabi? Very frequent ba? O pag tulog mo and then paggising mo ng umaga, yun na. So, madalas ba? So, madalas ka bang umihi? Or ano ba to? Madalas ka bang magising para umihi? I'm sorry. Yan, so no. How are your typical energy levels? Ayan, so ito, kinukumusta yung energy mo. Ano ang energy mo during the day? So, i-analyze mo rin yung sarili mo. Lagi ba akong pagod? O ako yung hindi makatulog? Night owl. Na tired during the day, then can't get to sleep. So, pagod ka sa araw, pero pagdating ng gabi, hindi ka naman makatulog. So, night owl yon. Afternoon slump. Ayan, stable energy throughout the day. Yan, kung antukin ka sa hapon, yan. So, stable throughout the day. Throughout the day. Yan. Okay, so do you eat a lot of sweets? Ayan. Ikaw ba ay matakaw ng chocolates? Kain ng cake? Lahat ng matatimis, sinahanap mo ba? Okay, so kung rarely, ibig sabihin madalang, paminsan-minsan. Ibig sabihin pag rarely, ito yung siguro once a year, ganun. Sometimes, mas frequent ng konti ito as compared sa rarely. Or, yes, I have a sweet tooth. Yung makakita ka ng chocolate or nagkikrave ka ng chocolate, ayan, yes. So, sometimes, yung anak ko sometimes, no? Ayan. So, coach, pahingi na lang ng recording. Yeah, sure. Okay. Ayan. How much protein do you consume each day? Ayan. So, kung hindi kayo sure kung how much ang protein na kinokonsume nyo at hindi nyo minimeasure, then just say, I have no idea. Okay? And then, do you often crave carbs? Carbohydrates. Ano ba yung mga food na rich in carbohydrates? Bread, rice, burgers. Yan. So, research nyo kung matakaw kayo sa carbohydrates. I think my son, yes. Okay, do you eat canned goods? Ayan, mahilig ka ba sa mga ready to eat? No? Yan. Yes, of course. How much water do you drink per day? Ayan. So, pag 6 cups, less than 50 ounces yan. Okay, so hindi kinakount dito ang soda at alcohol, water lang. Okay, 50 ounces, gallon, 50 to 100 ounces. So, this is half gallon, 64 ounces. So, ito, about 6 cups. Yan. So, I think half gallon siya. Ayan. How often do you drink alcohol? Ayan. Kung kayo po ay umiinom ng alak, ayan, more than 1 drink per day, 1 drink per day. Socially, ito yung during occasions lang. Ito, rarely, as in talagang madalang pa sa full moon. Yan. Socially, ito yung pag may birthday, pag may special occasion, kaya kung every month may nagbo-birthday, then ito yon socially. Pag may occasion, pag rarely, ito yung talagang pag very important, New Year, yan, once a year, ilagay mo rarely. So ito socially siya.